I don't know why. Oh, what? You say, oh. I think you too loyal. You say, I think you too loyal,
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Princess Monet, and today I'm back with another video. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on the JACLYNHILL palette volume 2, which is freaking beautiful. Like, it looks so freaking good. I love it. Honestly, it's probably my favorite palette that I even own right now. It's so gorgeous to me. Like, it has the hot pink, the yellows, the golds, the purples, and then like even this neon orange is super pretty. And then of course they have like the neutral tones, so you can have like a nice transition or just a natural look if you're going for that. So this palette doesn't have any blues, greens, like any mints, teals, anything like that. Navies, grays, like those type of shades, but everything here is beautiful to me. Only thing I do wish, but I wish this for like everyone's palettes and not a lot of people do have that, is a mirror. But for me personally, I love the palette. The names are like so good. I love the names. I'm gonna just read some of them. Matter of fact, I'm gonna just read them all really quickly. So the first shade is Certified. This one's I'm In It, Love Handles, Comfort Zone, Perfectionist, Ride or Diamonds, which is so cute, like Ride or Die. This one is Thick Skin, No Joke is what I use today. Talia, I also use that today on like my inner corners. Feeling Myself, Homebody, Get Ready With Me, but it's GRWM. Bougie, Drama Queen. We have Flawed and Old, which I'm dying to use this one right here under that yellow. There we go. I really want to use that one, see what that looks like. G Money, which is a really nice brown. This one is Positivity, which is like really cute. My Man, which I also use today. Grateful, Heart On, so pretty. Living My Best is so pretty. I'm hoping that this is a true red, because a lot of the times people use a red and it looks super orange or burgundy. It's never like in the middle, but this one looks to me like it's a true red, and then it has like some sort of glitter in it. This one is A Moment, Therapy Sesh. I also used just a little bit of this today. Lolly Mama, Tipsy Girl, use this today. Favorite one in the whole entire palette so far. Empowered, next. Dance Party. Stay True, Not My Journey, which this purple is freaking can't wait. This purple just screams royalty. This one is Good Place, Paolo, not sure. Oh Hello, Crazy, and Temptress, which this one is a black with like a little bit of shimmer in it. So that's pretty much it. I didn't have a lot of fallout. All the colors were true to what they look like on the pan, and I just really enjoyed using this palette. I don't know if I mentioned it in the title or not, but I will be mentioning somewhere in this video who got me this palette. Anyways, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Alright, so I have my pajamas on right now, but step one, I'm gonna be using my Tarte Tape Shape and covering my eyelids so I can have that base. This is really important. This makes the colors brighter, and I'm thinking of actually using yellow and pink because the palette is just so pretty, and even the orange sticks out to me, so I might even add orange in this. Not sure yet. Okay, so oh my gosh, I'm gonna be going in with the color No Joke, and that's this yellow one right here, which I'm fiending, and I'm just gonna basically cover my whole entire lid with this. I'm using my little Sephora mirror. I really wish that this palette had a mirror, but a lot of palettes don't, so I get it, but that would be like the freaking icing on the cake, because this palette is gorgeous. So I just moved the camera closer only because I felt like it was mad far, and this is a makeup tutorial, so y'all don't need to really see much in the background. I feel like this one has like a little bit of orange tint, and that's because I forgot I had a little bit of freaking pink from the last time I did my makeup. I'm not sure, but I think that's what the issue is. Next, I'm gonna go in with the shade My Man, which has been calling me. My man has been calling me. It's so pretty. It's like a neon orange, and that's super pretty. So I'm gonna be placing that right over here. I guess like my transition shade. And I put OD. I probably should have put a little bit less on the brush, but whatever. We're already here. I added a little bit of yellow onto this brush, just so I can blend out these two shades a little bit more. Next, I want to go in with my favorite color in the whole entire world, which is hot pink. But this one is like a hot pink mixed with like a little bit of neon. It has a perfect name, which is Tipsy Girl, and it's so pretty. Look at it. This one. Oh, I need to get my nails done. Anyway, and I'm going to place that right under where I have the orange. So real last minute, I just decided that I want to use Therapy Sesh, which is this one right here. And I also want to put this in my crease. A little bit focused, just a little bit more on the outside to deepen up the look. And I hope that doesn't throw this off too much. But we'll see right now. So as of right now, this is what the look is looking like. I think it's bomb. Okay, so as of right now, I just went in with my Tarte tape shape. I made like this sort of, I don't even know what shape this is, but I didn't bring it all the way, so you do still see the shades right here of color. But I'm gonna do the same thing on this side and just go like this that I have on this side and do the same thing on that side. Okay, so for the beginning, I'm gonna use the shade Talia, which is this beautiful, beautiful gold. So next, I'm going to go, now that I have the gold in the front, I'm gonna go in with my pink right over here next to the gold. I'm just gonna plop that there for now, and then eventually I will blend it out. Then I'm going to go in with the orange, the shade My Man. Okay, my camera died, but now I'm just going in with a brush that has no product on it and kind of blending this out. Okay, so as of right now, my eyes are looking like this. I do have to clean this up. I'm just not gonna do it right this second. I want to add like some pink right here, some orange, and then like a little bit of yellow under. And then I do want to add more gold on like the inner corner. So for right now, I'm going to go in with the same pink that I've been using. Place that on the outer corners of my eyes. Just so it blends in like right here. Okay, right here. So now I'm just going in with a brush that has nothing on it and just going to be blending this out. And then I am going to go in with some concealer and take a little bit of it off. If you add falsies without putting some mascara, the freaking glue and everything just starts getting stuck to your lashes because they're like roaming around freely. If you have some mascara, if you have some mascara, they're a little bit more sturdy and it's harder for the lash to get stuck to it. So I'm just gonna put mascara on both lashes, and then when I come back I will have my lashes already on. I will tell you the name of my lashes this time, because last time people asked and I didn't have the name, which is so unprofessional. But I'm gonna have the name this time because I'm gonna take them fresh out the box now. It is from NYX or NYX, however you guys say it. But yeah, be right back. And then luckily I found these that I'm wearing right now. I don't even know what these are, but they're really actually pretty. So sorry if I'm a liar. I personally think the eyeshadow came out really good. It reminds me of like a sunset or something. I did something like this before, but definitely I was using like a really cheap palette, so the colors didn't even blend right at all. At the time too, I had some fake ass friends who were talking a lot of shit about me. Matter of fact, I do have a story time on that. But my fake ass old friends, they went on to Twitter to talk about me having a cheap palette and me using a Forever 21 palette, and I was never gonna make it on YouTube. My YouTube was, you know, just gonna fail. My makeup was trash. I didn't know how to blend. What else they said? If you guys are interested in checking out that video, it's somewhere in my story times, and you could see I even have like receipts. Like I even have like pictures of their tweets and everything like that. The only thing I did was like block out their name. But yeah, they just spoke mad shit about me, and look at me now. My makeup skills are a trillion times better, which is lit. I just do these videos to make myself happy. I love putting on makeup. I never said I was a makeup artist. I have done a couple people's makeups and they ended up really liking it, but I never said I was a makeup artist, you know. So I'm not too sure if I'm gonna mention this in the title or what I'm naming this video, but my ex is the one who got me this palette. It's just so weird that the day that the morning that I tweeted that I really wanted this palette, I kid you not, a couple hours later I'm at work, it's Valentine's Day, and I get a call and my ex is like, come outside. And I'm like, yeah, okay. He's like, no, seriously, come outside. So I'm just like, what you mean come outside? Like, I can't come outside. Like, I work retail. I cannot walk outside when asked to. So I'm like, you can come inside. So my ex walks inside and he has a freaking thing of roses, which were so beautiful. And I think I'm gonna insert a clip. There was one royal blue rose in the freaking like thing of roses, and it was so beautiful. I low-key wish that they were all blue, just for the simple fact that I was so obsessed with the blue and it was so beautiful to me. My favorite color is hot pink though. There were some pink ones in there. There were assorted roses. Roses are my favorite flower. I like other flowers, but I know roses are like super traditional, and like, I don't know, a lot of people that's not usually typically their favorite their favorite flower, but roses are my favorite flower. So then I see a bag and I'm like, and I put this stuff in the back and he goes, oh, now you can use your JACLYNHILL palette and make a video. And I was like, JACLYNHILL palette? You got me the JACLYNHILL palette? I was like, oh my god, you got me the JACLYNHILL palette? And he said, yeah. And I was so excited, you guys. I was like actually really hyped, and I couldn't wait to go home and like see what it looks like in person. And I'm just in love. The freaking palette is beautiful. I'm in love with it. Now I'm pretty sure you guys are wondering like, wait, what you mean your ex? What do you mean your ex showed up to your job and got you like flowers and a JACLYNHILL palette? Like, were you guys in contact, or was this like out of nowhere and stuff like that? And if you guys are interested in any of those questions, you can comment below. I was just letting you guys know what I got for Valentine's Day, and I'm using it right now, so why not mention who got it for me? Well, I'm not mentioning exactly who got it for me, but just know that it was an ex of mine. I'm like really obsessed with this eyeshadow, you guys. I just need a lip and then I'm Gucci. So let me find out what lip I'm gonna use now. Okay, so I decided as of right now I'm using the lip liner to Candy K. I don't even know where. I have a freaking mosquito in here. What the hell? Do mosquitoes be out in winter? I didn't even know mosquitoes are like really out in the winter time. Like, what the hell? But anyways, yeah, I'm using Candy K by Kylie Jenner. So I would really love to know what everyone, you know, did for their Valentine's Day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Comment below what you guys did, because I'm nosy, and also I want to know what. And today I'm filming, and I actually have to film another video after this, but I'm not sure because I'm being taken out tonight and I don't know where I'm going, and I don't think I'm gonna have time to film my second video. But long story short, I received something in the mail and I wanted to do like an unboxing. If you guys want to see an unboxing video, comment below. So this is the final look. Let me just add this Morphe spray. What is this? This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. So, shit. I didn't even bake. I didn't even freaking put my translucent powder, which is really important. Ugh, annoying, and my skin is like kind of oily, so it's really important that I do that, and I forgot. But yeah, this is the final look. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. Actually, I'm gonna just change and get a little bit more ready and then film my intro, because I totally forgot to do an intro. I've been forgetting lately, but I'm glad I just remembered. But yeah, if you guys don't already follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat, I'm gonna have everything linked down below. Comment below what you guys would like to see in my next video, and thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.